Hi guys, it's your boy Aritoy. Yeah. For today's video guys, naghulat me sa among friend. There is a
Casa Capitol Hill Hotel.
kay diri daw ang mga meet up.
Meet up.
Pre naman ni sila guys from Pagadian City.
Welcome to Nashville, Iris and Vanille and Kiddos.
O wala may kabalo guys kung pwede pa may mag-park diri. Inarami diri sa gilid sa ilahang gibook nga hotel. Og maniid sa miyan ni guys. Og kita na may parking guys diri sa may pay parking area. At bang rapod sa ilahang hotel nga gistayhan. Nami diri sa level 7. Hi Lucas, how are you? Huh?
I'm okay, say it.
Very good.
Baby.
Sa kay naog na ta. See you, Banel and Iris and Kiddos. Yeah. Hi.
Minut ni panahon.
Ay, gani. Turbuyag.
Piliwatan ni mo siya, imong papa, oy.
Pwede rin tayo mag-video-video.
Oh.
Asa mo naka-park?
Pero sa vlog. Diha.
Diha po di ay?
Adya ko mo? Nami sa pinakata 7 to Arno.
7 foot me, pero katong i-reserve nila nga parking.
Karon guys, nang lakaw na mi, ngita mi og kan-anan kay medyo gutom naman.
Tara.
Nami diri guys. Nice kaniyo. Dugay na kami diri sa Nashville guys, pero karon pag mi ka baktas aning downtown.
Tara na.
Lucas oh. Lucas papa oh.
Y'all having a good day today?
Yeah, it's very nice. The weather's so nice.
It's beautiful outside.
Yeah.
My classmate named Coach is Nashville too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, just let me know if I need any little like to-go cups for the kids. If it makes it easier or anything, or something else I can absolutely do. So these are Kamayans. So we have a flatbed of that white rice, of course. We have that crispy pork shank pata in the middle. We have some adobo pork belly, some skewered shrimp. We also have some lumpia, some chicken inasal. Lots of greens, love lumpia. We also have some mango, some lemons. This can be that nuang chum and that garlic vinaigrette as well. Of course, if y'all need anything, let us know. Yes, absolutely. Let's do it. You did great. All right, bro.
Alright, guys.
I'm gonna take a bunch, okay?
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
All right, I can take more. We'll do an aftermath too. once you're
Yeah, I like that idea. Thank you.
done.
Nami pangaon guys. Baktas abon mi adto mi atong nay bridge. Jan Bridge. Helicopter.
Helicopter, bye.
Ay, diha dito dyan oh. Katong naikuan oh. May pako-pako.
Ay, picture kayo dito, oh. Gi.
River. Saba kini mong bata oy sila yung river. Huwag mo nang laag diri. Hindi mo balik diri.
Last na kung ano yung ari. 2 weeks pa lang sa kasama.
Oh, gyud.
Weeks pa si Lucas.
Oh. Napa sa tummy.
Saro na, patenti ata.
Ayag kay probiyag no. Napa di palupad og drone diri. Mo di purpose ari ko sinina. Tanganan din ni tumbler ni Lucas.